Hello, my name is Derek, and I'm here to talk about markup, discount, and tax. I'm going to tell you how to calculate all three of them. I'm going to buy something at 7-Eleven. How about a nice bottle of Coke? Okay, so I'm going to get the Coke, but there's something special about the Coke. There's a discount to it. Now the price is only 3 RMB instead of 4 RMB. Let's calculate what the percent of the discount is. Now that we know the numbers, how do we find the percent? There's got to be a way. There's a formula for it too. So here's the formula. The difference between the original and the selling price divided by the original price. So this may look a bit weird, but once we actually plug in the numbers, it'll actually start making sense. So the difference between the original and the selling price is 4 RMB, the original, minus 3 RMB, the selling price. So that's 1 RMB right there. You could do that mentally. Now the next step of the formula says that you have to take the difference right here, 1 RMB, and divide that by the original price, which is 4 RMB. So obviously 1 RMB divided by 4 RMB is going to be 0.25. 0.25 right there. Okay. So 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. So that is the percentage. So yeah. Now all you need to do is convert this decimal into a percent. Converting a decimal into a percent is quite easy actually. All you need to do is move the decimal 2 places to the right. So that's 1 place to the right and 2 places to the right. So now this is now 25%. So the discount for this is 25%. Now to double check, Ms. Carver always says you have to use common sense. Does it make sense that 25% discount of 4 RMB is 3 RMB? Well, for this problem, it's quite easy to find out. 25 is the equivalent of 1/4. And 4 RMB divided by 4 pieces is 1 each. Now, this is the 1 is the discount. 4 RMB minus the discount equals the selling price. So 4 RMB minus 1 RMB is 3 RMB, which means that this 25% should be boxed as the answer. Now that we are done with discount, let's pull out an interview I had about markup. So let's see what this man says about this Coke being marked up.
那这个的话，市场价是4块钱一支，进货价的话大概是在1块5左右兼职啊。
谢谢。What he actually said was this: the selling price of the Coke is 4 RMB, and the price they bought the can was around 1.5 RMB. So now we have two numbers yet again. The selling price, 4 RMB, and the price they bought it for, 1.5 RMB. And the formula of calculating the percent of the markup is the difference of the original price and the price the store bought it with divided by the original. Like the other situation, this will make more sense once you plug in the numbers. So here we have 4 RMB minus 4 RMB minus 1.5 RMB, which equals 2.5 RMB, and then 2.5 RMB divided by 1.5 RMB, and which equals 1.66 over line. So this converted to a percent is, as we move the decimal 2 places to the right, 166.6 overlined percent. Now the final step is to round up this decimal. percent. So now 1.667 now. So this is 1.66.7, 166.7. Just rounding up 6 to the nearest 10, which makes this 6, 7. Okay, so this is our answer. We should box it. And yes, using common sense, this does make sense. So now that we are done with markup, this is an example of tax.
我们现在说的是单房的价格，就是我们现在单房的价格是1200，再加上15%的服务费，也就是人们所说的税费。
谢谢。This is a translation. The original price of the room was $1,200 and the tax is 15%. This is the formula. The original price multiplied the tax as a decimal and the answer added with the original price. So the original price is $12,000. Multiplied the tax as a decimal, so the tax is 15% converted to a decimal of 0.15, and so this answer is 180, and this is the tax. This is how much the tax is, and if we add 1,200 with 180, we get 0.831, and so the answer is, as you might see, 1,380. And this is the answer, should be boxed. So this is the total price of the room plus its tax. And as always, thanks for watching Derek Product 17.